Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting tip to determine your ideal hair length without any hassle. So say goodbye to those hours of research and guesswork. We present to you the 2.25 hair length filter. So how does this magic filter work? It's simple. This filter uses a magic ratio that measures the distance between your chin and your earlobe. No need to visualize or consult a stylist. If the distance is less than 2.25 inches, short hair is the way to go for you. If it's more than that, longer locks are your best bet. So how to get this filter? Getting your hands on this filter is a piece of cake. Just follow these steps on TikTok. First open TikTok, then go to search option and search hair length filter. After searching, you will find lots of videos which are made with the same filter. Click on any one video and then click on filter option available above the username. After clicking the filter, you will land on filter page. Here you will find videos which are only made with this filter. Now click on use this effect and try.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.